You got a bunch of stuff I like. I just don't know how much money I want to spend. That's cool. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I got lost on my way in.
Oh.
The farmer's market messed me up.
Oh, gotcha. Well, it smells like they have kettle corn or something up there.
Yeah, I smell it.
Eat that.
I mean, you're gonna have to give into that temptation eventually, right?
Yeah. The wind's kind of...
Yeah, it's carrying it right over here.
And that one we never played.
Yeah,
My stepmother gave it to me, but
interesting.
since we never tried it, I just thought,
How much do you want for
move
it?
it out. Whatever it is you're willing to spend for it. No, how about $3?
What is this?
So that was like a little drawing.
It's dropped now.
I guess I should get it out. So if you open it, it's like,
Ah, okay. It's like a craft thing or something.
yeah.
It's just too delicious smelling here. I can't even.
It is.
I can't even think.
Maybe we should be selling popcorn.
I know. Hmm. That's cute. How much are your stuffed animals?
Do $1 each.
$1 each. Oops. Sorry, Eeyore. Got a lot of poo in here.
I know. Well, he was the favorite.
He is a good one.
So
Yeah,
I have a
that's cute.
like probably at least a 45-year-old poo inside
Really?
that I got when I was little,
Oh wow.
but he's not going,
No, yeah, I don't blame you. That's cute.
and he's bigger than any of those.
Really?
So
That's cool. Uh oh.
it's alright.
Sorry.
You're fine.
I make messes. I'm like a tornado. I think I like these three.
Okay.
Need $2 on the Sailor game, then we're at 5 total. Okay. I think. I don't know if
A
I've.
bag or a box?
Yeah, if you got one. So 5 total. There we go.
Thank you.
Don't want to lose your Mike Wazowski, silly.
Oh.
Okay. Cool.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a great afternoon.
You too.
go. Garage sailing right there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys doing?
Doing great.
Free teaching phonics tools.
Yeah, these are, you know,
Cool.
it's all stuff that homeschoolers could use. And I just thought, you have a homeschooler?
Yeah.
How much is this? $5?
I never used it. Don't have that kind of phone anymore.
I'll take it for $5.
Hey, there you go.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Do you have change for a 10?
Look, you get a free
Probably
bag.
do.
A free bag.
Free bag. Oh, good.
Look
Hot
at
dog.
that.
That's quite a sewing setup, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
Isn't that pretty, that old
Thanks,
picture?
man.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, let me look at this too. They're all homeschoolers now.
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah, my kids are homeschoolers technically.
Well, if you see anything there, you certainly are welcome to it. Hey, is that anything you could cook? Or
Well,
take?
you know, I should take a picture
Thank you.
and ask both the daughter-in-laws if any of this relates to what they're doing, because they're both homeschooling.
I'll take this.
One is a 5th grader.
I'll take that.
Feel free.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. Morning.
You see something you like, we can work on a price.
Okay.
But there's some good work coats over there too. A few of them have a few holes in it, but
Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Really is.
I think that vest is pretty warm too, but I hardly ever wear it.
Yeah. And I got some games and stuff.
Yes, sir.
That's cool. That's actually a board game or something?
It's a board game, and if you look on the back, it's Batman.
Cool. Oh, neat. This is your stuff over here? And then this is your stuff? Okay. Yeah.
Two people
You guys trying to earn money to save up for something? What are you trying to get?
I don't know.
Don't tell me.
Well, we know how to play the game, so we're just gonna give it away.
Is it all about V-Bucks? Is that what's going on here?
No, I like Fortnite.
A lot of kids I see. This one looks kind of good. You don't?
And the game works.
Yeah.
I like Tony Hawk, but it doesn't really work because the Wii is not set on.
Gotcha.
That's what he's talking about, trying to talk. And that's Star Wars.
One of them I found.
No,
Star Wars Clone Wars.
I
See
like
if I have any
it
small bills
because
here.
I like being General Grievous.
So this is the first
Okay, I have no idea why I'm on your side.
If I did all this for $5?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
One
Need a bag?
Yeah, I'll take one if you got one.
Oh, here.
You don't have any bigger knives, do you?
How
How do you do it?
Yeah, so yeah, you just flip it.
Oh, okay. Oh, so it's got like a.
Yeah, if you get to it, you
Thank
can
you, man.
one-hand
You're
it.
welcome.
To get used to it, you can
You can actually throw
one
it.
hand it. But you have to be real careful when you're closing it. I've done it so many times that I know. Yeah, this is like
Chickens are not mine.
probably one of the biggest ones I got. This one right here. And it opens pretty good.
I will to get this one.
These are Americans, right?
So yeah.
How much are these?
$5 for these, and those are like $3 over there.
Because I already meet up with my cousin. He's like real into
Okay.
some of the stuff. So what's this?
Oh, it's more like a Bowie style knife. It would work good if you were
Hunting?
if you're cutting carpet or
Oh, okay.
something like that.
Because of the curve.
Yeah. You
Thank
might
you
have
so
to
much.
work on the blades a little bit if you get
Yeah. A little bit. Little bit. Well loved. That's what we call them.
Yeah.
That one's pretty sharp.
Yeah, that one's missing a thumb stud on it.
I got a weakness for Kershaws, man. You got a bunch of them.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm having a hard time not putting them back in my pocket. My wife's like, you got too many knives. That one probably needs a little oil.
Yeah, that one's a little bit.
Oliver, did you forget to
That's
put the license
leather.
on
Yeah.
the car?
I got two like that. I did have two.
25.
One of them I
Sophia.
might have put over here. Somehow. Got a little rust probably come right off.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, yeah, send them over. We'll be here too. That's a grill, like a grill kit, like a spatula and tongs and skewer.
Oh, cool. Oh, like a
Yeah, I had it for a while and I rarely use it. Sure.
Yeah. What? Unless it's USB.
Dad, is that USB?
Which one?
Headlamp?
No. I think
I
it.
can't anymore. So I just keep up with battery.
Yeah, I can't remember if that's AAA or AA. I got another one like that my father-in-law gave me.
Yeah.
He got it from Lowe's, and it has the headlamp. You can actually pull it off. And so, like
really?
the main part of the headlight
Oh, so you pop it off.
charges the headlamp,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
and you can take it off, and it still has a light
So
here.
And you could probably buy another one so you could have one. That's cool.
So you pull that off, and then it's still a headlight under it,
Yeah.
and then you can shine this in the corner. But
Yeah.
not that one though.
My
Which one
uncle
am I?
uses these like little they're like they have like a really strong clip and they're like just like little power bicycle like basically.
Yeah.
But he just clips them on the side of his
Yeah.
head. But, cool, thanks so much.
Yeah.
You got a bunch of stuff I like. I just don't know how much money I want to spend. Alright, let's start easy. I was interested in those Timberlands and this. I'll give you 20 for the pair. You got 15 and 15.
Okay.
That's $10 off.
All right.
You do that?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's look at these knives.
Bring the Timberland shoes over here, Carl. The ones in the back.
Yeah.
You do 20 for those?
Okay.
So 40 bucks?
Yeah.
Alright. Now you guys got money to go to the farmer's market.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Need a bag?
I got your other bag.
Know anybody else?
I bought a bunch of stuff from them too.
Okay.
We only had.
Thank you so
You,
much.
Thank you.
Wow.
Got anybody interested in knives? Send them over. Carl
Yeah.
Hart.
Here, you can keep your hanger.
We only had.
Alright, thank you, gentlemen. Have a good
All
day.
right, have a good